On top with tori for today, Naija and Iran don ready Tanda Binational Commission. Naija President Muhammadu Buhari don tanda put for Malabo wey dey Equatorial Guinea unto the 5th gas summit of the Gas Exporting Countries Forum. Now on top dis waka, Naija and Iran don ready Tanda Binational Commission, the one wey go help the two countries to take get better devel for investment, agriculture and technology matter. And this one shele after President Muhammadu Buhari and Iranian Vice President on top economic affairs matter dem, Mohammed Nahavadian, wey dem do meeting. Iranian Vice President tok say im country ready support Naija well to comot terrorist matter for the country, as e con still use the meeting to take tell President the matter wey dey shele for politics and security for Middle East. Naija President Muhammadu Buhari salute the win matter wey Iran get for ISIS, the one wey be say dem still get for Syria sef, as dem don finish the terrorists wey dey that side. E show say the terrorists no get where dem go dey get things wey dem take dey support Boko Haram for Lake Chad.
Iran has made huge advances and is self-sufficient in the whole value chain of the petroleum industry, and the belief is that there's a real opportunity for two big countries like that to work together in that area. Iran in particular talked about great strides that they've made in the area of irrigation in some hostile desert areas, and that this could also be of benefit to Nigeria, where we've had the shrinking of Lake Chad.
On top the plan to get Binational Commission, the two leaders dem don promise say dem go pull body well to see say Naija and Iran fit work together, as this one go help Tanda economy and the people matter wey dey the countries dem well.
The firm belief there was that there was a lot of complementarity between the two countries and our economies, and that we really should take this opportunity to come together, work together, and achieve a real win-win.
Now, President Muhammadu Buhari can still follow President Teodoro Obiang Umbasogo, the one will be Equatorial Guinea President, as two of them promised to do better work to see say Gulf of Guinea e dey kampe. President Muhammadu Buhari talk say Naija no happy with wetin dey shele unto say tiffy matter dey, illegal carry matter dem, and other katakata wey dey happen dem.
Mr. President pointed out that of course we share maritime borders, and it's a real menace for the two countries. So we're looking at a security architecture that's going to come into place to really address this scourge.
For another meeting where President Muhammadu Buhari get for this summit, President Muhammadu Buhari been meet with OPEC Secretary General Bakindo Muhammad, as in con tell President Muhammadu Buhari on top the meeting where them go get for December. President Muhammadu Buhari con yarn am in chowe body put to see say Naija go get better gain for the meeting.
For us in Nigeria, every barrel is important. We need to retain and in fact get more in view of the circumstances of our own country. So as it is, Nigeria is feeling dissatisfied with the cuts ordered on us. And I think that our president is preparing to really fight all of that to see that the exemption we have enjoyed for a long time is reinstated.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. As it be say on top the forum, the one wey shele for Equatorial Guinea, where President Muhammadu Buhari be attend the 5th gas summit of the Gas Exporting Countries Forum. Naija and Iran don ready Tanda Binational Commission, and on top this waka na President Muhammadu Buhari still follow Equatorial Guinea President talk. President Umbasogo say them go work on top wetin dey shele for Gulf of Guinea. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una. Make una come sabi say to continue to dey get this ogbonge informate so more na like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now visit follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, as our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.